with Half Dozen Customs. We are out here for just a quick little unboxing video. I was at Tractor Supply the other day and I grabbed this from Tractor Supply because I was in need of a new one. It was not something that I originally went to Tractor Supply for, but in the little aisles that they have up there by the registers, I seen it sitting there and grabbed it. So basically this is my old one, which has now died. I've had this one forever. This was actually off of the Mako truck. But what this is you squeeze the trigger and it shoots out a little laser light out of the front and it tells you the temperature of something. What I use them for all the time is I paint cars around here and I need to know what the temperature of the metal is when we're painting. So being right now it's winter, it's colder out, we need to be able to know that the metal is up to a correct temperature before we paint it or prime it or apply body work to it. So that's what this is for. Like I said, my old one died. It was time for a new one. There are tons of different companies that make them. Like I said, it was just kind of spur of the moment. Wait. Spur of the moment that I picked this up at Tractor Supply. Can also, you know, probably not the same brand, but they have them on Amazon if you don't have Tractor Supplies by you. So you're able to pick these up on Amazon. Let me see if I can get this open. Woo! A couple of AAA batteries. My old one worked on AAA batteries as well. Squeeze the trigger, it turns itself on. You see the little laser light. It's on Celsius. Ooh, it even locks in. My little tool trays there are 53 degrees. Workbench, 56. The Jeep hood behind me is 50. Nifty little tool, very inexpensive. If you guys are into the painting stuff, definitely something that you should have around. I've been lost with mine being broken, so glad to have a new one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Remember to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. I'm out.